Welcome everyone. Today we delve into the intriguing world of video SEO. What is it, you ask? Well, video SEO is a technique that optimizes your videos to be discovered and ranked by search engines. Why is this important? Simply put, it helps your content reach a wider audience. In this video, we will briefly touch on the steps to achieve this, from understanding your audience and keywords to optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags. So, are you ready to optimize your videos for the best results? Let's dive in. First off, understanding your audience and identifying the right keywords is paramount. So, how do we go about this? We start by researching. We delve into the depths of the internet, hunting for the terms, phrases, and questions your audience is using. Ask yourself, what are they searching for? What problems do they need solving? What language do they use to express their queries? This is where keyword research tools come into play. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush help you discover the most searched terms in your niche. But it's not just about finding popular keywords, it's about finding relevant keywords. Keywords that accurately represent your content and resonate with your audience's search behavior. Why is this important? Well, keywords are the bridge between your content and your audience. They are the search terms that lead viewers to your videos. Remember, the right keywords can make or break your video's visibility, so spend some time on this step. Now that you have your keywords, it's time to optimize your video title, description, and tags. Let's start with the title. It should be catchy, engaging, and most importantly, it should include your primary keyword. This will not only pique the interest of your viewers, but also allow search engines to categorize your content correctly. Moving on to the video description, it's more than just a summary of your video. It's your chance to include those valuable keywords and related phrases. But remember, don't stuff them in haphazardly. Make sure the description reads naturally, providing value to the viewer. Finally, we come to tags. Tagging is like adding invisible labels to your video. You can use both your primary and secondary keywords here. Don't forget to include synonyms and related terms too. Optimizing these elements will help search engines understand what your video is about, leading to better rankings. Lastly, but importantly, encourage viewer engagement and shares. It's no secret that user engagement plays a significant role in SEO ranking. The more your audience interacts with your content, the more weight search engines give to your videos. So how can we foster this engagement? Firstly, you can request your viewers to like your content. This small act helps to signal the algorithms that your content is valuable and relevant. Secondly, encourage comments. Open-ended questions can spark discussions and increase the level of engagement. Thirdly, remind viewers to share your videos. Shares increase visibility, leading to more views and thus higher rankings. Subscriptions are another key metric. The more subscribers you have, the more likely your content will appear in search results. So do ask your viewers to subscribe. Remember, social shares also play a role in SEO. The more a video is shared across different platforms, the better the SEO. Boosting engagement and shares not only improves your SEO, but also expands your reach to new audiences. So, there you have it, the basics of video SEO in a nutshell. We've covered understanding your audience and keywords, optimizing your video title, description, and tags, and the significance of encouraging engagement and shares. Each step is a cornerstone in building a strong SEO foundation. Remember, your efforts in implementing these steps can propel your content to new heights. Now we're intrigued to know, which SEO habit will you be working on first? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy optimizing.